Alright guys, this is part 2 this is part 2 of the HackBook Pro project. I have found another hard drive. I have to test it out in that laptop, and it seems to already have a version of OS X 10.10 on it that was built on this Hackintosh originally, but now that's just been reverted back to Windows PC again. So it's 80GB this time, and not the 120 that there was in before. So yeah, I'm going to erase that. I'm just copying the Lion 10.7.2 DMG, and I'm going to put the quit now. I'm going to put the file on the desktop or whatever of there. It's copied to a USB, and this is a remote desktop because I don't want it on my server. So I'll get back to you. I'm just editing this video so far. I'm just putting the in fact I'll leave that to you. I'll let you see what it is when this video is uploaded. You'll see this surprise little video before you watch this video that I'm doing now. So yeah, right, I'll see you when we get to prepare the drive. And we're back now. So I have copied across the install Lion DMG from the folder. There we are. So what we're going to do first is if you have a DMG file, you can watch this part. But if you don't have a DMG, you just have the plain normal install OS X thing from the App Store. I'll use something new. I'll do that actually, because I don't have to have it on here anymore. So you know, yeah. So because I've got DMG, you have to call it install esd.dmg. You just open it, press skip, why not? And it'll open this. You do is you go to your folder, and then you go to applications, and you copy that into there. I am getting some Facebook tech through here, so we'll just don't disturb mode, and that is copied there. There we are. So what you're going to do there, once you've copied it, well, they're quite small as you zoom in. So what you do, I'll tell you what, while I'm here, I'll just do clean my name. So then when you do right click and show package contents, and then you want to go to new folder contents, and then create a new folder in there called shared support, like that. No capital letters, no spaces even, sorry, and two capital letters. So create that folder, open that folder, and then what you want to do is you want to copy the install ESD DMG file into shared support. No, I'll just eject that in case it might corrupt, it might go wrong or something. So place that in there like that, install SDMG, and then we should hopefully be able to run Unibeast right now. So Unibeast is here, and it's not giving us a warning yet. Agree. Oof. So OSX drive is empty. Continue. Lion. Yep. Alright, if you do a DMG, you might get this error. Right, so what I'll do is I'll run through this setup again. And
Excuse me, select.
And then I'll get back to you if it'll work. Alright guys, so I'm going to re-attempt the installer. So look, continue, agree, blah blah blah. Do that, lion. This is annoying. Why is it incomplete? Shared support is in there, right? I'll tell you what. I'll just I'll not use Unibeast. I'll see if there's any other options. Alright, hello. And I've found a different method called it's my hack. Basically, you take your DMG file and you tell it you want to create a 10.7 inch. No, what? No, OSX 10.7. And you tell it where you want to, what drive you want to install the Hackintosh on. What drive you want to use to make the USB drive, and then you tell it, and then you browse for the DMG file, and then it gets going really. Yeah, it just mounts the install and blah blah blah. So I'll leave this running. I'll do a bit of a time-lapse effect. I'll move out of the way a bit, and then I'll do a time-lapse effect from there. Yeah. Now I'll just speed through it now. As soon as this attempts to get going, if you will. Alright, so it looks like this it is going to take a bit of time. 13 minutes, 12 minutes. So I'll get back to you when it's nearly done or it's finished. Alright, I'll see you then. Alright guys, so it's just I finished copying the base system files now. Now it's just copying the installation packages. When again, I'll get back to you when that is in when that's installed. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Alright, so we are currently rebuilding the cache. It's installed the bootloader. So it's just rebuilding the system cache. So it might take a while. So I'll get back to you when it's finished. Alright, so as you can see here, the my hack process is all completed. And that's it. So now what we can do, or if you look, all these are here, look. The my hack software is in there in case we have to run it again. So now we'll plug it into the computer and we'll press boot from the USB, hopefully. F9, 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 come on. Yay. Have we got it? Is it? Got to F9? Yeah. There we are, yeah. Is the USB drive. Right. I should have done a verbose. We'll wait a bit and then we'll see if it boots up eventually. I'll pause the camera again and now. Oh wait, whoa. Here we have a mouse. We have a mouse in the top corner, but I can't move it. Right, I've got keyboard, but no trackpad. Not a problem. Well, it is, but it's not really. Ish. I don't know how I can word it. It's not a problem ish. I'll just plug in a USB wireless mouse I own. There. Hopefully it should. Yeah, use English as the main language. So first we'll go to utilities, disk utility. See if it sees our Wi-Fi card. But it's seen it. Yes, the Wi-Fi works straight away. Out of the box, it sees it all. Awesome. We'll attempt to connect. And I'll just share password. Join. And we should be on the Wi-Fi, not that matters right now. So again, I'll just patch this in the hard drive. And and the alarm's going off again. Tell you what, I'll do Hackintosh now. I'll just leave it as it is. Hackintosh HD. Yep. Just choose all these options. GPT. Yep. Apply. Partition. Mounting disk. So we've already got a brilliant start. Now that it sees my Wi-Fi card. Continue. Agree. And see if it. I'll just see if no, there's no extra to install. For some reason, installing on the disk. So 20 minutes remaining. Yeah, the Wi-Fi driver. No, the Wi-Fi card it's a Qualcomm Atheros AR5006EX. So at least now I know that I don't have to install any kexts for it, which is awesome. I think oh yeah, because Oh god, that fan's running at high speed. Ah, that's fine. I think. I think it's a drive, a Kex, or no, it's a wireless card that Apple must use in their products. Alright, so what I'll do now is while this is installing, I'll import these few clips, which I couldn't do before because the only has 2 ports for USB. So I'll now plug in the iPad and I'll just install the what do you call it? No, I'll import all the clips. I'll see it when I'll reboot. Okay, so that is finished installing a few minutes ago. I've powered it down until I was ready. And here I'll just do a -V boot. Oh yeah, no, right, yeah. I've got to put in a boot file that you need in. So I'll build it up again, and I'll bring the boot file that I had. Right, come on, there we are. So, and I'll do NPCI. That's a weird angle. That here we are. No. Right. I'll pop it up a bit. We are NPCI equals 0 times 2000 minus V. Let's try that now. See if we get any of that crap about that PCI configuration begin. Can't open the boot cache. Ethernet is from the Ethernet address. Ethernet will work now, I think anyway. So that's good. Ethernet starts not active. Airport link down. That's fine. Because it's still booting up. It's a MacBook Pro 3.1. No 4.1 even. Entry failed. So something like that down at the bottom. Still booting. Failed to locate SMC driver. It's booting, sort of, because it's still going. I suppose you should say that. It's quite slow though to boot. I suppose it would be though. Is it going to get to that same point? Or is it or do you mean past that? Oh yeah. PCI configuration begin. Is it there? Alright, so it's got past that now. Right, failed to locate SMC driver. I'm going to research that up now. So, failed to locate SMC driver Hackintosh. Right, so I've been told to try something now. I'm just gonna leave this to. I'm just gonna leave the camera on, so you can see everything that I'm doing. Even though you might want to fast forward it if you want to. That's not a problem. So it's -v, -x, graphics, enabler equals no, and then it's npci 0 times 2000. Go. It's quite this screen is quite large for you on this large text, but you know, it'll go in small text in about now. Here we are. So it's so that it knows that I'm doing safe boot. So obviously, I suppose I'll let you know when I say the PCI thing. Ah, here we are. PCI config is up there. Let's see if it gets to. That's. I never saw that before. File system was modified. Ethernet address. Oh yeah, I've already been to this part. So SMC. Here we are. We have a mouse. We have a cursor. I'm sorry. And the mouse can move. Not on the internal trackpad yet. I'm on multi-beast, so it's a British keyboard even. Let me just hook straight into Ethernet, because I can, so it can get all the stuff about my network, etc, etc. This Ethernet cable's tangled up. Marvellous. There we are. Oh, the cable just barely reaches the cable. I'll bring the computer forward a bit, like that. And then, oh god. And then we just go straight in. There we are. Don't transfer now. Enter your Apple ID. Let me just do this. Cloud.com. Enter. Continue. It's prior to that. Alright, yeah, it's found the internet. This so Ethernet works. Not that I need to do this. I'm just gonna complete this address thing. I'll do. Continue. Account name. I'll do this. Password. And then password. And then hint, because it's a it's not going to be a machine that I'll care about. So I'll just put in a there we are. Hopefully it should connect to Apple. And then we might still be able to get on the Wi-Fi, on the wireless, like we could before. If not, I can always use multi-beast to get it to work. Or unless it won't work because all these little boot flags. Take a snapshot. It's trying to take a photo, and there's a camera up there, but it's not going to work. So let's continue. Choose in the library. I'll just say there's the iMac over there if it's available to me. It's not, so I'll just choose that one actually. Thank you. Start using OS X Lion. And we're being greeted with the login screen. It's a bit offline, isn't it? I'll just log on now. And we are logging on now. And we're all sort of just wait for it to load up. Do you have any? No. We have no activity there yet. Not to worry. iCloud. Your keyboard can't be identified. This is Z. Apparently, I pressed the key on my Apple keyboard. That's not an Apple keyboard then. So I'll just choose the network. Wi-Fi's turned off. Wi-Fi. Know how to install. Lovely. Not to worry, I suppose. Because the Ethernet works fine for now. Now, since I'm online, I can download multi-beast. So let's go to multi-beast. Lion. I'll tell you what, I'll see if I can use any with my hack. No. My fix. So it's going into terminal, and we'll do my fix. Right, I'm just going to search up now, and I'll get back to you soon. I'm just going to search up how I can get the wireless to work, as well as the trackpad. And I might see if I can get the display to show it at its full resolution, because it isn't now. Right, I'll get no. In fact, this will be the end of part 2, and part 3 will be the like the benchmarks. Well, no, not benchmarks. Like the overview of the little project. I might throw in a few benchmarks to see how it runs. So I'll edit this video, and I hope to upload it by about 10 PM tonight. At the time of it's currently 18:58, and that is right. 18:58. So that's good. So yeah, hopefully this can replace my iMac over there. And I'll see you in part 3.